With criminals ordering murders from behind prison walls, the government is pushing ahead with plans to build a small section of a high-security prison to house high-security inmates. Over $168 million has been set aside in the 2022-23 budget to begin the planning. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang gave an update at Parliament's Standing Finance Committee.
We have the JDF supporting an engineer doing design work. We have examined what is required. It's costly, but we think we have to get on with that aspect of it. And in fact, recruit and train a whole new batch of officers to monitor and manage that section until we get the whole facility going. So the issue recognized is a major one. In fact, a significant number of the contract killing emerges from prison or from overseas.
In the meantime, by the end of March, the police force would have recruited 1,250 persons for this fiscal year. 1,500 more recruits are expected in the next fiscal year. $700 million has been set aside to build a police divisional headquarters in Westmoreland.
The part of the ministry's critical role and becoming more critical as we see increased activity in this area. But I want to emphasize cyber defense, including a cyber school, which we wish to seek some answers on. Expansion of things like Jamaica electronic ticketing system,